Pine Bluff's deep-rooted challenges have sparked numerous discussions among residents, local leaders, and law enforcement officials. As meetings begin to convene in community centers, voices rise and fall, sharing experiences of loss and fear that echo through the streets. Families gather, united by a shared hope for safety and rejuvenation, seeking solutions tailored to their unique circumstances. Amidst the somber atmosphere, a seasoned member of the community, Maria, stands to address the crowd. "We can't ignore the statistics any longer," she implores, her voice steady but filled with emotion. "It's up to us to reclaim our neighborhoods, to leave fear behind and take the first step toward change." Her words resonate deeply, igniting a spark of determination in the eyes of those gathered. A new resolve begins to take hold as suggestions flood the room, from neighborhood watch programs to youth engagement initiatives, each idea woven with a thread of hope. As the evening wears on, the energy shifts slightly when a local store owner, James, shares his story. "Last month, I had to replace all my windows after yet another break-in," he says, shaking his head. "This isn't just about crime statistics. It's about our livelihoods and the safety of our children." A murmur of empathy flows through the crowd, acknowledging the real pain that lies behind the numbers. His candidness not only highlights the urgent need for action but also strengthens the collective resolve of the community to confront the challenges they face together. With each passing moment, the room fills with more voices, each echoing themes of resilience and commitment to turn Pine Bluff's narrative around. As the dialogue flourishes, a young woman named Sarah rises, passionately advocating for inclusion of technology in their safety efforts. "We should harness social media to spread awareness and create safe spaces online," she suggests, her enthusiasm lighting up the dimly lit room. "It's a tool we can use to connect with each other, report suspicious activities, and build a stronger community." Her innovative approach captures the attention of many, inspiring a blend of hope and excitement among the attendees. Conversations shift toward possibilities, each idea contributing to a growing vision of transformation that seeks to transcend the grim realities of their environment. Amid this surge of ideas, an older gentleman, Mr. Thompson, quietly rises, tapping a spoon against his glass to regain attention. "While we dream of change, we must remember," he begins, his voice a calming presence, "that patience and persistence are necessary. Let's form committees, meet regularly, and keep this momentum alive." His practical wisdom encourages unity, emphasizing that transformation is a gradual journey. The audience nods in agreement, inspired by his call to action, each heart echoing the sentiment that together, they can navigate the path toward a brighter future for Pine Bluff. As the crowd begins to disperse, a sense of camaraderie lingers in the air. Each participant leaves with renewed determination, reinforcing the notion that change is not only possible but vital for the revitalization of Pine Bluff. United in purpose, they step forward, ready to transform their community and redefine their future.